All right, Wiki, what do we got here?
Well, Ames has two different kinds of window felts. They've got, and they talk about one being rolled and one not. So there's the factory. And so you see how it's kind of rounded? It looks like a circle, basically.
Yeah.
So the other kit I had
It's crimped.
is crimped. And so Ames now carries another version that's supposed to be round like this. So we'll see if that's the case, in which case we'll use these. It looks crimped to me, though. Doesn't it?
That definitely looks crimped. What about the other end? Just for S and Gs. That would be crimped. That is not rolled.
Yeah, so I don't... It's funny because, well, it looks a little better that way.
So Ames is here.
I guess maybe it's just the end where
You
they
can
cut
see
it.
the difference.
Yeah, you know, that's what I think I'm seeing here, is that's where they cut it with a cutter.
And
But if
maybe-
you look down on it from here, it looks pretty similar to the factory. But obviously back in 1969, they didn't use some kind
shear
of
it.
crazy shear. They must have...
But this doesn't look exactly rolled per se.
No, these two to me look pretty much the same construction.
Probably the same vendor.
I mean, even the felt piece.
What you thinking there, Wick?
I'm kind of wondering if you're even going to see this. You might actually see this. Let's see, this is this side. Or no, this goes on the inside, right?
I believe so.
See? Where does it go over here? It goes over here.
Yeah.
So you are going to see these ends.
You see that? Yeah, and that's...
Why does that seem so short? Too? I guess the other weather stripping comes up to that point.
But that's kind of
I'm not
yucky.
really stoked with that.
Huh?
I'm not really stoked with that end condition.
I really don't like that at all, because it's like bashed.
Yeah, and you're gonna see it.
Whereas the rolled ones...
I'm not too crazy about this either. This little whoop-de-doo. Like that just came out of the box like that.
And that's the Ames one? Or is this the other one?
Shit, I don't know.
Oh no, that's the other one. The Ames one's the one on the left.
All the way out, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about you, but I think that's exactly the same piece.
I did too. We just got the opposite side. But it's the same, I think it's the same manufacturer. Because they both got the smooshed ends where it went through some giant hydraulic shear. Which would have been okay if they gave us an extra couple inches, you know,
Yeah.
and you could cut it yourself to maintain this other profile.
That nice rolled profile that the OE has. Let's get a good shot of that rolled. Yeah. That's what you want, but nobody gives you what you want.
Yeah, what a bummer.
That's disappointing.
And are these different sizes? Or do they just feel different?
Well, one's about 1,000,000 years old, and the other one's...
Yeah, there's that.
Is it like different on the length? The end? Did you look at that end? Does that look like it's got the OE one has a skosh more, or is it?
I'm
just
kind of
my eyes
wondering.
deceiving
I don't
me?
know. No, they're pretty close, I guess.
Ah,
A little bit more.
there you go. And it has the rolled end past the rubber,
Yeah.
which makes you a nice clean finish. Hey, look at that. There you go. Good side by side right there. Wow.
So I'm kind of at a loss as to, man, I wish we could strip, I wish we could strip the
Trim.
piece out of there or put it in a new one, but it's full on baked into that thing.
Yeah, that thing's. If that's the original one, or if somebody actually made replacements that were nice back 20 years ago.
Yeah. Man, this is frustrating.
We can't have stuff as nice as we want it. That's the most disappointing thing of all.
Let's see if this thing, how it sits on that. This needs to go like this. I guess this is the right side. Right? Or does it go the other way?
I think you got the wrong one.
We probably do have the wrong one. We'd go like this if we were going anywhere, but
Still.
this would be the other door. Why is this thing? See how this is like flatter?
Yeah, it's not as wavy either. Wick's moving the lift. I'm just gonna say I'm not impressed with those ones from Ames.
Not at all.
Because look at that. It actually has that little bit of overhang,
Yeah.
and your other piece of strip can go under there, and then you have a nice, beautiful finish with a nice rolled edge. You should take pictures of that and send it to him. Go, I thought this was supposed to be rolled.
Yeah, it's, you know,
Look
and
at
it's,
that. That looks beautiful.
that's where it goes. It's much better the right way. But like this has this angle that, you know, it's cut basically
For the door.
The door. And you do see this piece. I don't ever remember paying attention to it before this very moment, but you're going to see that crimped, cut off, bogus end.
Yeah, instead of the nice round.
Yeah.
That's disappointing.
Very. So I don't know what to do now.
I think we need to make a little phone call to Ames first and go, what's this crap? Sad.
Yeah, it's a shame. Honestly, I don't know. I look at OPG. They doesn't say who made these things, huh?
No.